Entry doors. Meridian, Idaho, are essential for enhancing the curb appeal and security of your home. Whether you are looking for custom entry doors or energy-efficient doors, Meridian offers a wide range of options to suit your needs. From fiberglass doors to steel entry doors, the choices are endless for those seeking door replacement services in Meridian. Front door installation in Meridian is a crucial service for homeowners looking to upgrade their entryways. With professional door installation services in Meridian ID, you can ensure that your new door is installed correctly and efficiently. Door installation services in Meridian, Idaho are known for their attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. Door replacement services in Meridian are ideal for those looking to update their home's exterior. Whether you need residential entry doors or commercial entry doors, Meridian door replacement services offer a variety of styles and materials. Wooden entry doors in Meridian provide a classic look, while steel entry doors Meridian ID offer enhanced security features. Custom entry doors Meridian ID allow homeowners to personalize their entryways. With door customization options in Meridian, Idaho, you can choose from various door design elements, including door color options, Meridian ID, and door size options. Meridian, Idaho. Custom entry doors. Meridian ID are perfect for those who want a unique and personalized touch. Energy-efficient doors in Meridian are a popular choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. These doors help reduce energy costs and improve the overall comfort of your home. Energy-efficient doors. Meridian are available in various styles and materials, including fiberglass doors, Meridian and steel entry doors. Meridian ID. Door repair services in Meridian, Idaho are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entry doors. Whether you need door frame repair Meridian, Idaho or door weatherproofing Meridian, professional door repair Meridian, Idaho services can help. Door maintenance Meridian, Idaho is crucial for prolonging the life of your doors. Residential entry doors. Meridian offer a wide range of styles and materials to choose from. From traditional wooden entry doors Meridian to modern fiberglass doors Meridian, there is something for every taste and budget. Residential entry doors. Meridian are designed to enhance the beauty and security of your home. Commercial entry doors. Meridian are designed to withstand heavy use and provide maximum security. With door security features Meridian, businesses can ensure the safety of their premises. Commercial entry doors. Meridian are available in various materials, including steel entry doors, Meridian ID, and fiberglass doors. Meridian. Door hardware Meridian ID is an important aspect of any entry door. From door handles to locks, the right door hardware can enhance the functionality and security of your doors. Door hardware Meridian ID is available in various styles and finishes to complement your entry door design. Entry doors. Meridian, Idaho is a key consideration for homeowners looking to enhance their home's exterior. With a variety of entry door styles Meridian to choose from, you can find the perfect door to match your home's architecture. Door design Meridian, Idaho includes options for door glass options, Meridian and door color options, Meridian ID,